Working with Howard County Economic Development was an A+ experience. They went over and beyond in their responsiveness, their transparency, helping us understand the process and the objective. Commercial Laundry Corporation is a first-class outsourced laundry provider, so we provide end-to-end laundry services for large institutions. So we've been running at or arguably above capacity for the last 3 years at our other facility, running around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And that really isn't the best way to run a business like this. So we made the decision that we wanted to go all in. So there were several factors that went into our decision to move. The biggest being space. Our current facility in Baltimore City is about 32,000 square feet, and it has low ceilings. This facility is 72,000 square feet and has high ceilings. And with that, we're able to utilize the full cube of the space. So our actual capacity triples, arguably may even quadruple. We're able to then invest in different types of equipment and a different level of processing capabilities, quality, and automation that just wasn't possible in our existing facility. And that's only possible with the capital that Howard County helped provide. One of the things that was really presenting a challenge for us was the transition from our existing facility to this new facility. We needed the ability to be able to deactivate our existing location, move equipment and people here, and this equipment is massive and requires cranes and forklifts and very skilled, specialized people to take it apart, put it back together to move it. And all of that takes time and costs money. You really want to keep your momentum when you're doing something like this. And in our case, time is really of the essence. So we needed someone on the other side that shared the same sense of urgency that we did. Having a county that is willing to throw its hat in the ring and say, how can we help? What can we do to support you to make sure that you're successful is a really great thing.